Hello, how you doing? Welcome back to howtocookgreatfood.com. Just finished, as you can see, steaming hot. Today we're going to be making an Arab style chicken and green bean stew. Nothing to it really, absolutely delicious. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, so let's take a look at what we're going to be using today. So, by the way, all of the amounts of the ingredients are going to be in the text below. I've got here 1 kg of cut chicken parts, skin is on, bone is in. 2 tomatoes, try and use a nice juicy ripe tomato. I've got about 300 grams there of green beans, fasolia or long beans, whatever you call them. 1 onion chopped, 1 tablespoon of garlic, and then here are powders. I've got 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, 1 of turmeric, and 1 of coriander powder. We're going to start this off with some oil. We're going to add some salt. Let's get to the cooker. Okay, let's get started. So I'm going to start this off with some olive oil. You can be using a different oil if you want. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to drop in our chicken. And on a medium heat, we're going to just throw this around in the pan for about 5 or 6 minutes. So as you can see, we've got some nice colour on our chicken and we've sealed that. We're now going to drop in our onion. Our garlic. I'm going to go just for about 3 or 4 more minutes. Fantastic. Let's now add our green beans or fasolia or long beans or French beans, and again just 3 or 4 minutes just to get some lovely flavours onto them. Great stuff. Okay, now let me get some salt in there. We're going to add our 2 ripe chopped fresh tomatoes. And to that we're going to add our powders. Let's just take one more look. So we're going to do 2 teaspoons of cumin and 1 of each of the turmeric and the coriander. Give this a little mix in. If you wanted, you could add some fresh chilies to this or chili powder. Okay, next up, I'm going to add a touch of water, not too much. I'm going to grab a lid, I'm going to cover that, and on a kind of medium heat, let's go for about 5 or 6 minutes. No need to touch it now. Okay, so we're going to go from a medium to a complete simmer now. Let's take a look. Fantastic. Now, as you can see, all our tomatoes have completely broken down and gave us a nice little bit of masala, gravy or sauce. So just on the simmer, let's let that go for about another 5 minutes. Okay, off goes the heat, off comes the lid, out goes the steam. We really do have a fantastic, beautiful stew here. I'm going to finish this off with some fresh parsley, flat leaf parsley. If you wanted, cilantro, coriander, or even mint in here works really well. That's it. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.